Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So a question that gets asked frequently is how often can you bill your members? Let's just have a look by going into finance and membership plans. There has been a new update just recently allowing you to bill somebody every 2 years and every 3 years. We'll just go into one of the membership plans just here. And when that loads up, we can see here, we can pick, first of all, we can pick a preferred payment type. So we might be offering a paid listing, but we might have a preferred type. So for example, the preferred type will be highlighted within the checkout pages as the preferred option, but then the member might be able to select between other options depending how the information down here is set out. So if it's a paid plan, there has to be a figure in these boxes just down here in order for them to display as an option. So we can see that we can bill individuals every 30 days. You can bill individuals every 3 months or quarterly. You've got the semi-yearly price, which is every 6 months. You've got the yearly price, and then newly added to Brilliant Directories is the every 2 years and the every 3 years as well. And what you could do is generate a discount, obviously, for the bigger proportion of time the person is paying for. So, for example, if we were going to charge $9.95 a month, we might put $9.95 in here monthly, but the yearly price we might do at $99.95. So essentially, they're going to be getting 2 months free if they go to a yearly price. Or for the 2 yearly price, we might go 179.95. So again, they're getting a further discount based on the fact they're paying every 2 years. And then for the 3 years, we might go 259.95. So in each succession, they are getting a discount, and in terms of the greater the length of time that they're signing up for, the greater commitment that they're making to your site. And then the preferred payment term, which would be out of these four options where we've placed a figure, which one would we prefer people to sign up for? Would you prefer them to commit every 3 years, every 2 years, yearly, or monthly? So what you might do is you might set this to every 3 years that you want. That would be the preferred. So that would be the selection that would be automatically selected at checkout. However, they would be able to switch between all the other options where you've entered figures just in here. Hope that helps you and gives you a guide into pricing and how frequently somebody can be billed. Thanks for watching.